Now that we have our lasagna noodles in our greased bundt pan, I'm coming in with my meat sauce and we're gonna do a layer of meat sauce right on top of those noodles, kind of doing our best to get it right where the sides are. It's okay if it's a little messy because we will make sure that we get this nice and pretty before we serve it. This is gonna be such a yummy and delicious dinner that everyone will love. Once we get that layer in there, we can kind of smooth it out, just nice and easy. Now I have my mozzarella cheese and we're gonna do a sprinkle of cheese on top of our meat sauce for this easy Italian dinner. I absolutely love making this when I have guests coming over for a dinner party because it is so fun, it is so yummy, and everyone asks for the recipe. I'm gonna move this slightly to the side and bring in my ricotta cheese, and I have 1 egg that we're going to crack into our ricotta cheese. Beautiful. And we're gonna mix in our egg with our ricotta. This is just gonna give some stability to our dish. If you don't want to add an egg, then I would suggest doing this in a 9x13, but this is gonna be a super delicious addition to that lasagna pasta, that meat sauce, and that mozzarella. And you can kind of see what we're making here now that we are adding our ricotta, and we're just getting that nice and mixed up in our little plastic containers so that we can save some water on our dishes. All right, we're almost there. All right, now that it's like a pale off-white yellow, we can start adding our ricotta on top of our mozzarella. And we're gonna need a little bit of this later, so don't use all of it. Once we have a nice layer in there, we can kind of spread it on top of our mozzarella. Whoa, that looks beautiful. Next, I'm coming in with our parsley, and I like to use this Fresh for Weeks parsley because I don't ever use a whole bundle of parsley in one sitting, so this will last me longer. But look at that beautiful greenery that this adds. You could also use a Italian seasoning, a basil, whatever herb you like. All right, and I have another pasta lasagna, and we're gonna kind of rip our lasagna up and kind of add it on top of that ricotta the best we can. I did cook up a whole package of lasagna for this recipe, so keep that in mind. All right, let me grab one more. Coming back in with that meat sauce, we are gonna scoop some of this up and place it on top of those pasta pieces. Yummy. This meat sauce smells so good, and this is just 1 pound of ground beef cooked, and then 1 jar of marinara. You can use whatever marinara you like. You can even do homemade marinara. I use the cheap stuff just because it is gonna go unnoticed with all of these other flavors. As long as you have a marinara, this is gonna be a home run. Oh my goodness. And we're just making sure that those pasta pieces are covered as best as possible, but really the inside doesn't matter. It's what the outside's gonna look like that's gonna wow your guests. All right, that looks pretty good. All right, and we're keeping up with those layers, so we're gonna do another layer of mozzarella. Yummy. Another layer of our ricotta. We just wanna fill up our bundt pan all the way. As soon as your bundt pan is filled up, you are done with your layers. Layer our parsley once again. Isn't that just beautiful? I am so excited for this.
Oh, it looks so good.
All right, and we do have some more pasta pieces. Kind of just want to use up what we have, so I'm just gonna add these on top. Like I said, I only used 1 package, so it's super affordable, super delicious, party pleaser. All right, this time around, we are only gonna add our meat sauce and our mozzarella cheese because this is getting nice and filled up, and I don't think we need any more ricotta or parsley or pasta. We pretty much used all of those anyways, so we're just adding the last little bit of our meat sauce in there. Ooh, I'm excited. Now for the fun part. We're gonna grab those little ends of lasagna that we kind of left hanging, and we are gonna fold those inwards just like so. Look how easy and beautiful that is. Perfect. Okay. This is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 375, and this is gonna be in there for 40 minutes. Yum! Oh my, look at those crispy bits, and it smells so good. You know what time it is. We are going to flip. Oh, do you hear that crispiness?
I see the juices.
Ooh. Oh, look at that beauty. A piece. It might fall apart a little bit as you cut it. But at that point, the party has started. Oh, look at that. Lasagna, come to mama. Oh, talk about a pasta party. Time to dig in.
Is it good?
Wow. That is the best lasagna I've ever made.